Well, we know telemarketing phone calls can be disruptive, and they always seem to come at the worst time. Over the last few weeks, many of you have received calls from people claiming to be working for the Centers for Disease Control.
Yeah, they're not trying to sell you anything, but they do have a lot of questions. Our investigative reporter, Amy Davis, has also gotten these calls, and she wanted to know, too. Are they legit, Amy?
Yeah, I definitely wanted to know because they called me 8 times in 3 weeks. They called on weeknights, on a Sunday. They're very friendly, but very persistent.
Hello, I'm calling on behalf of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Earlier, we had contacted your household to participate in a survey regarding the immunizations of the children who live there.
I got this voicemail message on a Monday evening about 6 o'clock, another on a Tuesday after 8 p.m., always from the same phone number with a 404 area code out of Atlanta. Yes, I know any phone number can be spoofed, but these were not, and I know that because I contacted the Centers for Disease Control, and this is what I learned. The CDC hires researchers and callers from the University of Chicago for its national immunization surveys. They've been taking the phone surveys since 1994 to monitor vaccination coverage among children. The telephone numbers called are randomly selected by a computer, and if you want them to stop calling you, simply pick up and say, "Take me off your list." Answering the questions is completely voluntary. Surveys take anywhere from 8 minutes to 20 minutes. The surveys collect information on the types of vaccinations your child has received, where you live, your race, and income. You don't have to answer every question, but you should know that they will ask for your child's name, date of birth, and the medical provider that gave them their vaccinations. They want to confirm the vaccination information with your medical provider. Yeah, something else that's interesting. On one of the last calls, the caller told me I could get $10 for participating. I do know others have received cash and gift cards for $5 or $10 through the mail. So if that's something that you want, maybe you do want to take the survey. Owen?
Did you take it? Did you end up taking the survey?
So I did agree to answer the questions while I was waiting at school pickup in line one day, but after 20 minutes on the phone, I had another call coming in. I'm like, I gotta go. You said this would take 20 minutes. So then they called back another day to finish. I didn't complete that survey because in the end, I didn't want to give my son's full name, DOB, and the doctor's contact information. Right. I was like, in the beginning, you said that I didn't have to give all that. And they're like, yeah, but to wrap it up. I'm like, then I wouldn't have wasted that first 20 minutes.
Yeah, right. We're not wrapping this up.
Right, exactly, yeah.
Okay.
All right, Amy, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thanks.